Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix if won't send text messages on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen and you will see your phone problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on message app. After click on message app, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all setting. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. Scroll down and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if won't send text messages on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.